I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the lounge at Victoria Harbour Airport in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. This bustling water airport is code Charlie Yankee Whiskey Hotel and is a seaplane spotter's dream. Our adventure begins with the first flight of the day, a Harbour Air DeHavilland Twin Otter springing to life, taxiing into position, and gracefully taking off into the crisp morning air. As the morning unfolds, you'll witness 5 DeHavilland Otters coming and going, each departure and arrival adding to the excitement of this remarkable early morning. The grand finale is a classic Kenmore Air DeHavilland Beaver making a grand entrance, its landing a breathtaking display of skill and grace, truly the crown jewel of the day. I'm absolutely thrilled you've decided to join me, Corey, your seaplane spotter extraordinaire, on this exciting West Coast seaplane spotting adventure. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go flying! This Harbour Air DeHavilland Twin Otter is ident Golf Foxtrot Hotel Alpha and is serial number 779. She was manufactured in Canada in 1981 and bought by Harbour Air in 2018. This Harbour Air DeHavilland Otter is ident Golf Lima Charlie Papa and is serial number 422. She was manufactured in Canada in 1961 and purchased by Harbour Air in 2009. Although it looks like an air traffic control tower, looks can be deceiving. It is not a control tower. Victoria Harbour Airport operates under a prior permission required system. This means that not just anyone can come to Victoria and land their seaplane. The Nav Canada Tower provides flight services, which includes up-to-date weather and water conditions for the pilots. To fly into the Harbour Airport, pilots have to do special studies and take an exam beforehand. This Harbour Air DeHavilland DHC-3 Otter is ident Foxtrot Hotel Alpha Alpha and is serial number 357. She was manufactured in Canada in 1960 and purchased by Harbour Air in June of 2006. This Harbour Air DeHavilland Otter is ident Foxtrot Hotel Alpha Juliet and is serial number 406. She was manufactured in Canada in 1960 and joined Harbour Air in 2006. This Harbour Air DeHavilland DHC3 Otter is ident Foxtrot Romeo November Oscar and is serial number 21. She was manufactured in Canada in 1953 and purchased by Harbour Air in 1993. 1953 makes this otter 71 years old. Wow. We watch this otter land at 8:44. We will see her take off at 9:14. That's an impressive 20-minute turnaround from touchdown to takeoff. Wow. This Kenmore Air DeHavilland DHC2 Beaver is ident November 9766Z and is serial number 504. She was manufactured in Canada in 1953. I filmed a seaplane spotting adventure on Christmas Eve, making this the last seaplane video I'll be sharing from Victoria in 2024. There's one more to come from Vancouver. Whether you're a new visitor or a longtime friend of the lounge, your kind words and unwavering support mean the world to me, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. 2024 was an incredible year filled with fun and adventure, and I can't wait to bring you along for many more exciting journeys in 2025. As we round out 2024, remember to always stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep your eyes on the skies. Or in my case, keep your good eye on the skies. I can't wait to see you in 2025.